Hot coffee, iced coffee, specialty coffee, pods, grounds. This thing does it all. Full pot, tumbler, or even a single cup. Does it all. Need a frother for your cappuccino or your latte? It's got one of those too. Don't need it? You can hide it away. Not sure how much coffee you need? This measuring spoon will tell you. Want some tea or hot chocolate? It's got an independent water source. Turn that on, you have boiling or regular hot water. It has a nice removable water tank for easy filling that you can also swing around to the backside. Save yourself a little counter space. Just another great design from Ninja. It works great. It's allowed us to take 2 coffee makers on our counter and turn it into 1. And they actually have these on a great sale price right now. They are going kind of fast though, so if you want one, I'd grab it quick and I'll put a link right there.